And today Colton and I have this bath set. That's right, it's a 4-piece bath set, mold-free bathtub toys. And we're going to go ahead, we're going to throw them in there. We're going to open them up and let you see exactly what you get.
That's right.
That's right. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. All right, so Colty here is going to show us the toys. Go ahead, let's pull them out, buddy. What is that? A goat?
Yeah, goat.
We got a goat. Throw it in the tub.
Woo.
All right, what else we have?
We got, this one is so hard. A bunny.
A bunny. And what's he eating?
A carrot.
Yep. All right, what else?
A dog.
A doggy. Oh no, the box fell in the water. It's okay. Here.
And a doggy.
And what's the last one?
A cow.
Let's see. Hold it up. Oh, very cool. All right, let's see it float. All right, so here's the 4 toys that you're going to get with this little bath set. Now, these are good for interactive play and imagination. It's also entertaining for your little one while they're chilling out in the tub. And these are larger size, but the best part about them is they're mold-free. And that's because they have no holes in the bottom for water to get in there and mold up. So these are perfectly safe and easy to wash. We hope this video helps.
And thanks for watching.
And thanks for watching.